Okay. Basically, in this video, I'm just basically showing you how to do a basic of copying some information and texting that information over to someone that you want to review or analyze, or to kind of just get some type of information transferred over via phone, tablet, PC, computer, Mac, whatever have you, from YouTube. So right now I'm looking at Milla J out of California. The name of the song is Kickback. Um, so you click on this video here, and what you will see.
Hey guys, so today I'm demoing the new AirShred motion capture guitar.
There's an ad that someone's running here, but we'll skip that out. And here's the video, right? So say I want to send this information to someone that I know, right? Let's say it's a producer in Brazil, right? And I'm actually doing some work with this producer, big time producer out of Brazil, or upcoming producer out of Brazil. Okay, and basically this is the style of music that I'm going to create over there, and I want him to collaborate with this song as to some ideas or whatever have you. Okay, so I send this over to him. How do I want to get this over to him, right? Okay, so what you can do is click here and it says share, right? All right, now when you click this and it says share, what's going to happen is this link pops up here, right? Then you copy it. You can on a Mac it's Command C, or it's Alt C on a PC. So it's Command C on a Mac, and it's Alt C. It's Control C. I'm sorry, it's Control C on a PC. Okay, so here you can either right click it to, right, copy, right. All right, so now you have the actual video you actually have the address, the link for this video, and you can take that, copy that, and paste it anywhere. So if I had an email, right, I can email it over, or if I had a phone, right, I could take it, copy that, paste it in the text, and text it right over. And this, my friend, is how you transfer information that you want someone to take a look at. I hope this helps and gives you some kind of value. This is probably one of my first videos that I'm doing on YouTube, but I think this is going to bridge the gap. So I wanted to create it. Okay, thank you guys, and you also have a great day. You deserve it. Until next time, thanks.